Introducing the EcoFlow Delta, an incredible power station that offers 1,260 watt-hours of portable power whenever you need it. In this video, we will use the EcoFlow Delta, taking you through using this product for the first time. First, let's take a look at the front of the EcoFlow Delta Power Station. At the front of the EcoFlow Delta are the following ports: USB-A, USB Fast Charge, and USB-C. Turn the device on by clicking the power button. At the center of the EcoFlow Delta is a vivid display that provides important information about the power station. You can access the current battery percentage, view the input and output loads, and check how long you can continue to power your devices. On this side of the EcoFlow Delta, you can find a car outlet port and AC ports, which can charge around 90% of essential devices. To conserve power, there's a separate button to turn the AC and DC ports on. Will be charged at around 30% straight out of the box. Fully charge the battery before you use the product for the first time. The extreme charging port enables you to fast charge the unit using a regular wall outlet or pure sine wave gas generator. The EcoFlow Delta can be charged from 0 to 80% in 1 hour, achieving a full charge in just 1.6 hours. Delta can also be charged from the XT60 port using solar panels or from a car using the car lighter socket. Use 4 110-watt solar panels connected in parallel to charge the EcoFlow Delta within 4 to 8 hours. All product setup details can be found on the official EcoFlow site. Thank you for watching.